dishwashing liquid that's only for $3. Buy it at Deals, and available in orange, antibacterial, and now available in bleach alternative. That's right, folks. This video of the winter storm of February the 26th rather, is brought to you by Ajax. No matter how greasy your dishes are, you're well at hand with Ajax. Okay, folks? Do I need a shave or what? My God! I look like the hobo of Staten Island. Huh. Well, today's video of the winter storm of February 26th is also brought to you by Comfort Glide Shave Gel. An excellent glide for an excellent skin. Protection for vitamin E and aloe. That's right, folks. It is the shave gel of the 90s. No matter how bristle your beard is, woo, this shave gel will get the job done and nothing flat. And folks, today's video also is brought to you by a great razor by the name of Gillette Fusion. Gillette Fusion, the razor that buzzes like a hair clipper. You hear that? It's an excellent razor, an excellent price. Recommended by dermatologists everywhere. As you can see, the battery is getting low. So, let's put it back. Now, these razors, as you see, are guaranteed a very, very close shave. Gillette Fusion, recommended by dermatologists. That's right, Gillette Fusion. Personal Care Comfort Shave Gel. And also, folks, don't forget that Aqua Velva Musk, the Aloe Vera Lotion, and this excellent, excellent product by Ed Pinord Clubman Finest Shave Talc. It's something to hide the nicks and also hide the shadow. Ed Pinord Clubman Shave Talc. And also, don't forget your styptic. This happens to be a styptic swab. Your ordinary swab. That's right. What this does is, it's a special, it's better than a styptic pencil. Styptic swabs for nicks and cuts. Excellent product. So now that we're finished, and now that the commercials are over, we can say, let's have a nice day. From Staten Island, New York, live, this is Roberto, the Computer Chef Tech Guy, saying thanks for watching. The second winter snowstorm of February 26th, and also part of February 25th. Wow. Goodbye. Ciao.